Hello, everybody, and welcome back to the Crown Lounge, where today we're going to make a Monte Carlo, right? It's a rye-based drink that will remind you of a Manhattan, but it's not a Manhattan. So if you like Manhattans, this is an alternative, all right? So first, we're going to start off with 2 ounces of rye whiskey, and I'm using some Old Ezra 7. Next, we're going to use half an ounce of Benedictine. It's a liqueur. Go half an ounce. Last, we're going to go with 1 dash of our Angostura bitter. 1 dash. That's it. We'll add a little ice. We're going to give it a little stir. Stir for about 30 seconds to get it nice and chilled, right? And the ice will help dilute it a little bit because this is a strong drink. We didn't add any like simple syrup or anything else to tame it down. So make sure you get a good stir. Stir for about 30 seconds. Next, we're going to strain it into our rock glass. And there you have it. A Monte Carlo. Cheers. Off the rip, you can tell this is all gas, no brakes. This is a good, so like I said, if you like Manhattans, you want to try something different. This is a great alternative, right? You get the whiskeys, the rye whiskey, and you get the Benedictine, right? It has this, I don't want to say floral, but it's like almost like an herbalish type of liqueur from France. So anyway, don't forget to like, follow, and share for more drink recipes. Cheers.